If your mornings are a rush, you're gonna love this. The Prestige 1.5 litre electric kettle. This sleek beauty isn't just a pretty face. Its designer cool touch exterior keeps it stylish and safe to handle, while the stainless steel inner body ensures every cup is pure and fresh. Forget waiting forever. This kettle's 1,350 watt power boils water in a flash. And with the automatic power cut-off and dry heat protection, you can set it and forget it. Safety first. Always need portability. The 360-degree swivel base has you covered, making it easy to handle and carry around. Plus, the ergonomic handle with single-touch lid locking makes pouring a breeze. Say goodbye to scalds and spills. Say hello to convenience and style. Whether it's chai, coffee, or instant noodles, the Prestige electric kettle is designed for your kitchen, crafted for your life. Trust in Prestige, generations of quality, innovation, and reliability. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Check out the link in the description and make the Prestige electric kettle yours today.